Welcome to the GrabCAD Admin Console, the place to manage your users, groups, and licenses. Only admins can access the Admin Console by entering the URL company.grabcad.com or being redirected from another GrabCAD product. To add or remove admins, go to Edit Company. Go to the Licenses page to view a summary of your products and licenses. To give users access to a product or license, follow these steps. First, go to the users page and add their emails. Next, manage user groups and give these groups access to the products as shown. You should have licenses or shops set up ahead of time before this step. Finally, select users to give them access to the software. Don't forget to select yourself to enable full access. After the last step, licenses are granted automatically to the users in the groups. You can view the license assignments by going back to the Licenses page. A user will only use one license, regardless of how many groups they are in. To control who gets the licenses, simply add or remove users from the groups that are using the license. Always ensure that the user groups are completely set up or if you have enough licenses. You can always contact shop@grabcad.com if you have any issues or feedback.